Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're finally gonna be taking care of my faded hood. I mean, look at that. I've been wanting to get this taken care of for some time now, and today's just as good as any day to see if we can DIY this project. I've got a couple other spots here on the doors that also need to be touched up. But I want to preface this video by saying that I honestly don't care too much about the exterior of my truck. I go on the mountain, I know it's going to get scratched. I go on trails. It's just a part of having an outdoor truck, right? The exterior is not meant to look pretty. So I think I've got all the materials that I need to get this taken care of. I've done my research, and I'm going to make mistakes along the way. I've never done this before. I'm not an expert. You guys know if you've been following along. I just DIY projects and I absolutely love it. So let's see what we can do about my hood today. Let's jump into it. That's hot. All right. So we're in my backyard. I've got an under the shade tent here. Basically the process is going to go as follows. We're going to wash this thing off, and then we'll tape off the areas that I'm going to be working on today. And then we're going to wet sand all these spots right here, being careful not to get into the part of the hood that's actually okay. So we're going to kind of blend it out. With the videos and the stuff that I've watched, I think I can do it. I think I can blend this out. I have paint if I need to touch it up. I have the clear coat. I have everything we need to get done. Thanks for tagging along on this journey, on this learning experience. This is going to be not only fun for me, but hopefully fun for you guys to watch. And I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I've been staring at this faded hood driving down the road for way too long now. I would like to see this project finally get done and see this hood turn out well. And to add on a little bit, I'd rather do this as a DIY thing versus paying a professional hundreds of dollars or buying a brand new hood for a couple $100s. Who has the money these days to be spending money like that, right? Anyway, so that's why we're trying this DIY first. Save us a little bit of money, learn something along the way, and show you guys the fun I have doing this, right? That's been the whole purpose of this channel anyway. Here's an update for you guys. The progress we've made so far. I did end up having to paint on my hood, but as you can tell, the clear coat that I'm putting on there right now is wet and it's still drying. It's gonna take a while to dry. I mean, this is taking hours and hours just because I'm letting the paint dry, letting the clear coats cure, you know, doing this properly so I don't have to do it again down the road. Anyway, here we are. One more coat of the clear coat, and I think we're all good to go. We're gonna let it cure up, put it back on the truck, and I'm really excited to have this done. It's been a long time coming. I just haven't had the time to take off my hood, paint it, and do all this fun stuff. As you can tell, it's taken a lot out of me. So anyway, at least we're getting it done, right? Once that's finished curing, we've still got to polish and buff and cut this thing and make it really nice and shiny. And then we'll be finally finished with this hood. So, okay guys, so we're in the final stretches here. I have cut it with compound, polished it. I'm just letting this wax dry on there. So all we have to do now is let this wax dry, put the hood back on my truck, and we're good to go. We finished this project. Took a while, but I think it was worth it. If you haven't yet, be sure to check out this video going over my overland camping build that I'm doing this summer. Here's part 1 of that series. Go check it out. Thank you guys so much. Let's go ahead and go put this hood on my truck now. Well, check that out. Obviously nothing perfect. There's a little orange peel on here. But honestly, for my first time doing something like that, I'm super happy with the results. No more faded hood. Oh, that's so awesome. Good to get that done. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm not an expert. This is the first time doing something like this, and I still did that good of a job. So leave it down in the comments what you think. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me in this video. We'll see you in the next one.